Hello viewers, welcome to the channel AC Easy Learning. Okay, today we start one theorem, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, what is this? Here saying that every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. What is this? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. That if we consider any composite number, we can consider 30. Now this composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. So we factorize this 30, this 3 5 is 50. So obviously 30 can be expressed as this. Here 2, 3, 5, all are the prime numbers, and we say that the composite number 30 can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. Here the product of three numbers 2, 3, 5. Any composite number, you can say any composite number that at the first 6, that is 2 into 3. If we consider 12, 2 into 3 into 2. There are also 2 and 3 are prime numbers. If you consider any composite number, that can be always expressed as the product of primes. And then what is saying? That this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Always the factorization is unique. That is, if we consider there is 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 30, always that 2, 3, 5, the multiplication of 2, 3, 5 is always 30. There is not any another prime numbers. But apart from the order in which the prime factors occur, doesn't matter that 2 into 3 into 5, or we can write 3 into 2 into 5, or we can write 5 into 2 into 3, not matter that what is the order of the prime factors. That not matter. Doesn't matter that. We can write anyhow. Okay, next, saying that factorize 140 as the product of prime numbers. So you have 140. You have to show that 140 can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. Factorization. So we factorize this. 270 is 140, then 2, 35, 70, then 5, 7, that is 35. So obviously 140, that can be expressed as this. And here 2, 5, 7, all are the prime numbers. Okay. Thank you for watching.